CCTV, Lawan Rashapi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Dangshan ka sorkar kalapan bana bakan bo ka border outpost ha ki khapot jong ka Meghalaya bat Assam bat ka Mukroh ka dekaway na ki border outpost baka sorkar kalapan bana Henry Dangshan u MLA ka Mukaya u ba nu jorki sungo ula play patba ya ka police outpost ha Barato bat ka ni kalawan ra jing artati ni ki patba la ka outpost ka de ha Mukroh ne ha Barato. Ha ka jing kren bat Myntri Rangbah ka jela u konrat kongkal sangma ula ong baka bala play ha Barato ka de ka outpost kat ba ha Mukroh pat ka de ka border outpost.
I couldn't meet them yesterday.
Yes.
I wasn't in office. I was outside yesterday, so I could not meet them. But I'll take a review of the situation, and if there's anything to be done, then definitely we'll take necessary action. And of course, just to share with you that I have had multiple discussions with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam in the last 2 days, and we are also going to have more discussions in the next coming days also, in discussion with these issues and how to ensure that these kind of future situations don't happen again, and no instigation or no kind of actions that could lead to this kind of situation should not happen. So we are now in constant touch, and we are ensuring that the communication happens at the highest level. See, I don't want to comment whether it's local politics or whether it's the Karbala District Council, but whatever factors and situations that lead to this, if proper communication and coordination is done with all the agencies, I'm sure that we'll be able to completely eliminate, or at least we'll be able to minimize these kind of incidents that do take place. And yes, we will ensure that all kind of communications that need to be done to any of the agencies or organizations that are there, we will ensure that from the highest level it is done from both sides. Anything within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya, if it is being done by anybody, any other government or any other autonomous body, that will not be allowed. If it is done within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya.
That's very much within the jurisdiction.
Yeah, so they definitely will take up the matter.
So
this will not be allowed.
So what is the status of border outposts?
The border house has been sanctioned now, and all the people have been sent. In fact, in Mukroh already the 20 people who were 30 people were posted. A platoon was posted there, and now that has been regularized. So which means now it's a permanent post. Earlier, whenever the border outpost was set up, it was as a decision at the department level, which means that people were transferred from one location to another location without actually creating sanctioned post. So the last cabinet decision we decided on this has actually sanctioned it, and those posts are now there for people to be appointed, and the ones who have been sent to Mukroh are now regularizing. So the outpost is in Barato, the border outpost is in